Get ready with me as a 46-year-old female who does not use expensive products. I have very, very dry skin. My nose is always red, and this is what I use together right here. It's like pure grease on my face as my primer and moisturizer. If you don't have dry skin, I would not recommend this. This is the Eucerin Intensive Repair Lotion right here. This is like a Vaseline consistency, so again, very thick. I mix these two together, so I've got about that much product. This is also what I do at night, right before I go to bed, on my face, and it will take care of all the dryness. So I slather this on my face. I'll let this sit for about 15 minutes just so it's all absorbed, and then I will go in with my favorite makeup. This I actually got in TikTok Shop, the most moisturizing stuff in the world. It can be used as a concealer or a foundation, so we'll start with this next. Let me just let this sit in for a second. All right, so it's been a few minutes. I didn't wait 10 minutes, but we're gonna go ahead and get this process started. Again, you can see my nose, it's always red. It is always super dry, especially in the winter months. I'm gonna use this concealer stick right here, foundation stick, whatever you wanna call it, and it is so creamy, glides on perfectly. Get my nose. I'm doing my makeup in my phone, so a little bit under the eyes. With this mix right here, everything just glides so easily. I love this foundation stick. This is so affordable in TikTok Shop, and it's so nice. Look at the nose already. Like, it has really good coverage, and it is extremely creamy, very moisturizing. Just that little bit right there, you can see how much coverage I have. Okay, so I've got that on. I can't tell in the phone really how well it's blended in. Hopefully it is, but you can just see like the dewiness, again, because of these two products right here, it does help so much. This is extremely moisturizing, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the rest of the makeup. Let's get this face finished. And as I said, non-expensive makeup. This is from the Dollar Tree. It's my favorite. I love this bronzer right here, and it's only $1. Can't go wrong. All right, got the bronzer on. Next favorite product ever is the Telescopic. I am a blonde, so my lashes are blonde. You cannot see them. My brows are blonde. You can barely see those, so it is crucial that I wear mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras right here, Telescopic. Let's get that on. There is one eye, so you can already tell the difference. All right, both eyes are finished. Next, I'm gonna go in with my favorite brow pencil. My natural hair color is a dark ashy blonde color, and I feel like most eyebrow pencils make my eyebrows look very gold. This is the only one that is very ashy. I love the color. It's the Wet n Wild Micro Brow in the color Ash Brown. I barely have any brows, so I do have to fill in the majority of them. All right, so we've got that one done. Let me go ahead and finish this one right here. Okay, the brows are finished, and the last product, my favorite of all, I've been using this for years now. This is LA Colors Mood Lip Gloss right here. I get this at the Dollar Tree, but this is the most moisturizing. It's like a thick gloss, and it also has a very slight rose color once it sits on your lips for a minute. So I love this. I cannot go a day without this. I apply it constantly, usually every few hours I'm putting it on. So that is the products that I use. Very affordable. Wet n Wild, LA Colors, another LA Colors. Both of these are at the Dollar Tree. This is linked below in TikTok Shop. Very moisturizing. And then these two products right here that you can get at any drugstore. So that's my makeup routine. It takes probably 5 minutes. So if you have very dry skin like I do, try these products and see if you like it.